Hey everyone, Corey Malcolm here, Regional Sales Manager for IBEX by Forest River. Today we're going to check out one of our lightweight toy haulers, the 19QTH. Now that we're standing right here in the IBEX 19QTH, there's plenty of features right here inside the garage, including our 3,000-pound ramp door, our bug screen to give you nice crosshair ventilation, and our porch lights that are three-way, meaning you get a warm light and a nice LED light to light up the campsite. Moving into the 19QTH, keep in mind this is a 4,500-pound unit that can fit a Razor 1000 in it. We have a 10'6" garage and 66 inches between the wheel wells. You have a couch along with the seat. This couch will also add an additional sleeping area that can easily fold down for additional sleeping. With IBEX, we listen to our customers. We understand when bringing a toy hauler with you, you need as much storage as you can. So with IBEX, you're going to have storage here and here, along with the other side on the wheel well, with storage up top and behind the TV as well, giving you as much storage as we can in a 7-wide travel trailer. And with IBEX, we're going to give you all upgraded appliances, including a 15K air conditioning that comes standard, a 12-volt TV that you can run off your battery, not just a 110 outlet, and a nice utility table that's waterproof that you can use outside or inside. Along with the utility table, we're also going to give you the largest in-class reefer possible inside of a 7-wide travel trailer. Back here, we're going to give you a nice convection microwave, which you can bake, roast, cook, whatever you'd like to do, obviously microwave, with the central vacuum system, which we all know is very important when you bring in your toys inside your garage. All you have to do is lift up your disc plate, take it back down, and cleaning is done. Back here, we're gonna give you plenty of space. I mean, we have a 60 by 80 queen size bed and an almost 25-foot travel trailer. Cup holders on this side and windows on both sides to give you plenty of crosshair ventilation. We're gonna give you an 18-inch stainless steel sink with an industrial sized faucet and a 2-burner stovetop. Across from the kitchen, we're gonna have tons of features inside of our bathroom. For any circumstance, we're gonna give you a nice max air ventilation fan to ventilate anything inside of your bathroom, along with a large shower with a nice skylight and a shower miser water saving system that can save up to 40% of your fresh water tank. With our standard features, we're also gonna include a security lock box that's key to light to the rest of the unit. Standing in front of the IBEX 19QTH, you'll see some familiar features that are on all of our other floor plans, including a 60 by 22-inch panoramic window that's automotive grade, along with a 20-pound propane tank that can be exchanged at any gas station within America, a dog leash connector, a power tongue jack with an LED light. And on the other side, you're also gonna see a battery disconnect switch. That big red square right there, you can turn it on, you can turn it off. The majority of the content and features that I've been speaking about in this video come standard on our IBEX travel trailers. One of the options that we do have is our Bush Kitchen package, which includes a prep table, a Bush Kitchen, a nice convenient LP quick connect, and a water spray port. One of the crown jewels of the IBEX travel trailers is our all-terrain tires that are nitro-filled, along with our 15-inch aluminum wheels, giving you plenty of ground clearance, giving you the opportunity to take the road less traveled. In IBEX, safety is one of our biggest concerns. With our solid surface steps, we're going to be able to put these inside and outside to help you with ground clearance. Here's an example. Again, giving you a nice, solid surface step. With IBEX, we pride ourselves on being one of the most capable travel trailers in the market. Not only are we going to give you a 15K AC for those hot summer days, but we're going to give you a nice enclosed termination system, along with the enclosed underbelly, with 12-volt heat pads on all your fresh, gray, and black tanks, letting you travel and stay in the coldest climates. Other great features that we have on the off-door side of our units is our convenient black tank flush, our cable and satellite hookups, a freshwater connection, a city water connection, and our 6-gallon 2-way gas and electric water heater. With IBEX, construction is our #1 priority. Not only do we give you an aluminum cage construction, but we also laminate everything with Asdel composite panels. Now, with our Asdel, we don't only just put it on our sidewalls like our competition, but we wrap it all the way around your unit. On every IBEX model, including our 19QTH, you'll see it on our sidewalls, our front wall, our back wall, and in our slide-out models, you'll also notice that it's in our slide-out. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, we pride ourselves on being the most capable travel trailer. You don't have to be hooked up to 30 amp service with IBEX. We come standard with a 190 watt monocrystalline solar panel, along with a 1000 watt inverter and an amp controller, giving you the ability to take your travel trailer anywhere. Being the adventurous travel trailer that we are, we had to come up with a solution to give our customers the most versatile speaker on the market. IBEX has partnered exclusive partnership with JBL speakers, giving you a Bluetooth stereo that's waterproof and you can take anywhere you'd like to go. Thank you for taking a tour of the 19QTH IBEX by Forest River. For more information, visit forestriverinc.com/IBEX.